Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to find your Steam ID on your mobile device quick and easy. Whether you are linking your Steam account to a game or sharing it with friends, knowing your Steam ID is super useful. First of all, open the Steam application and sign into your account on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture or the question mark icon at the top right corner. This will bring up your profile. From your profile section, tap on Account Details at the bottom. Once you tap on Account Details, you will be able to see your username and Steam ID at the top left corner. You can go ahead and copy your Steam ID, which is located at the top. And that's it. You've just learned how to find your Steam ID on mobile device in just a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.